if you can grab one of these cute little hearts from Dollar Tree, it's like a little wall piece that they have. It comes with a little hook in the back. I'm reusing one that I already used before, but I just wanted to show you. You can do so many things with these, or you can just hang them and use them as is. But I'm gonna cover mine with some burlap fabric in the back that I got from Dollar Tree. If you didn't want it to be, see-through, kind of real sturdy, you can take a piece of cardboard, you can cut it out to shape, you can cover the burlap in that, and then glue that down. But I'm just going to glue the burlap straight to the back. Make sure you leave the hook out if you're going to do it this way. You can also just use this as a sitter or a leaner or something like that. But if you're going to be hanging it up on the wall, make sure to leave the little hook out when you are gluing everything down, so that you can use it later on and you don't go over it. And also when you are putting on the burlap, make sure to try to maneuver it so that it's nice and tight, so that it's not saggy in the back there. So you see how that's got no like loose pieces. And then once the glue is dry and everything is done, then you can just trim off all of the excess. Try not to glue too close to the edges too, so that when you trim it, you don't see it in the front when you're hanging it up. So I just finished off that, and then that's really simple and cute as is. You can leave it like that, but I attached this. It's a topper that I got from Dollar Tree, made a little bow, and then those little laser cut keys that they have at Dollar Tree, they come multiple in a pack. And then I'm just gonna glue that down to the center there. And then that is it. It's a cute and simple little Valentine's DIY that you can use for the season. And you can do these in different ways. And like I said, you don't even have to add the middle piece. You can just leave it nice and simple. And this might be something that you can even leave up all year.